The new method inside of the database class is called query, and it's going to be a private method, function underscore query, and we're going to pass the SQL statement as the first parameter, null by default, and then parameters, so params equals null. First we check if is an empty SQL, and if it's not empty, then we can continue with our code. We're going to start if exclamation mark is object this underscore PDO object. If it is an object, obviously because we've placed the exclamation mark at the beginning, then what we do is we call our connect method. Then we go for the statement equals this PDO object prepare, and we go for our SQL, and then this underscore driver options. Now what the prepare statement does basically is first we pass in the SQL statement, which you will see a little bit later on how we actually create in a SQL statement for the prepared call, because prepare statement is exactly what help us with all the security issues we had with the previous versions of MySQL connectors. PDO handled this in a pretty impressive way, because what you do here, basically, I'm going just to show you quickly. Let's say select statement all from table, some table name, where ID equals, and what I do, I can put exclamation mark, or I can assign the name placeholder to it. But I'm going to be using exclamation marks as this is the way I tend to work. So I put the exclamation mark. What happens later on? So this statement is passed onto the prepare method. The statement is prepared, and then we are binding whatever values we want to bind to these placeholders in the following statement when we actually going to be calling the execute method. You'll see in just a moment how it works. But let's now remove this statement here, and after the statement a few new lines, and first we do if isn't statement, then error info, we're going to set this underscore PDO object error info, we get the information about the error, and then we throw new PDO exception, and the message will be something along the lines database error, and we passing the error info, the first index from this error message. Then we go for the error info, the second index, okay, closing curly brackets, comma, driver error code is error info, and we go for the first one. And yeah, we can wrap it within the curly brackets as well. And then semicolon at the end. So this is when obviously something went wrong with the prepare statement. After this if statement, we're going to continue with the params converted, which is the array. We are now going to be filtering all of the parameters which we've sent through. Basically, these parameters will contain the binding values for this prepare statement. So let's deal with this in the next video.